this you are seeing happen live in Igbo land, in Nigeria. No place like Igbo land. No place that people are showing each other's caring like Igbo land. No place like Igbo land. People are showing love. People are expressing their love to each other. No place like Igbo land in Nigeria. In my next word, I will still be Igbo person proper, and I will still be a Nigerian. Yes, I said this because of what is happening in Nigeria and how Igbos are, helping or expressing their love to other ones. I so much appreciate it.